Namaskaram. Welcome to day 17 of the Margari Krishnanubhavam series. Andal in the 17th Pasuram of Tirupavai emphasizes charity. She says the best kind of charity is done in temples because all 5 of the senses will be engaged in Krishnanubhavam. But who does she show as a prime example? Ambaramithannire sore arum seyum Emperumananda Gopala Yerundirai. She says Nanda Gopa does deals of charity in Gokula. She also wakes up Yashoda Pirati and Krishna's brother Balarama in this pasuram. So let's sing Krishna's praises as the one who is born to Devaki, Vasudeva, and the son of Nanda and Yashoda. Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana Yashoda Nandana. Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana Yashoda Nandana. He Bhakta Chandana Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana Yashoda Nandana. He Bhakta Chandana Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana. Balulu Gudi Namasmaranamu Jesu Kundama Bhaktula Pada Dhuli Manapai Challu Kundama Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana. Maharaja Raja Raja Maharaja Shekhara Maharaja Raja Shura Tyaga Raja Jivana Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana Yashoda Nandana. Navanita Chora Devaki Vasudeva Nandana Yashoda Nandana. He Bhakta Chandana.